Ghana won this one. People, I have some tragic news to tell you. When I was in Ghana, I ate KFC almost twice a week. Like the whole 363 days that I was there, literally, we went there like twice a week. And I love their KFC. Here's a video for those who don't remember. But yeah, this was like the very first day that I was in Ghana. Yes, I am trying Ghana KFC. I just want some hot wings, please. Where am I? Streetwise? No, yeah, I think that. Is it good? I'm from all the way from Jamaica, and Jamaica KFC is the best. Okay, they're different. They have a tangy. Top seriously. Ooh. I'm impressed. It tastes good. It has a tangy powder on it. You like it? As a Jamaican, this pains me. I mean, there's no seasoning on there. Yes, it was hot and crunchy, but one thing for sure, my face cannot tell a lie. It was so... Ghanaian hot wings, I love those hot wings. They had a zesty flavor to it and was seasoned, like it was powdery. These wings don't taste good. They're bland. They're just blah. I am sorry to say that. Maybe it's because I swear they have no flavor whatsoever. Yes, they're juicier and they're crunchier. And sir, seriously? Cover your mouth now? Them alright, you know, but in comparison to the Ghanaian KFC,